Hello, everyone, I'm Xiaya. In this video, I bring you a new product from ZF. It's a low-risk Skywalker. I haven't updated this video for a long time. It's also because the overall environment is not good. And many factories have also withdrawn from the market, but some have stopped. So everyone should cherish the good products now, and there aren't many good products left. The recently updated one is from this brand. Everyone knows this, right? Old players all know which factory it is. The packaging materials that come out of the factory I won't show you. There is a standard shipping box and it comes with an extra keychain, which can be used to hang keys. And here is a beer cap like this watch. Look at this watch. This product. It is so far the Skywalker version, the most accurate version. Compared to the previous and manufacturer's one, it seems too much, mainly in terms of functions. It has the month function and date display, 24-hour display. It also has a dual time zone function, which can be adjusted. Let me show you. This dial can be rotated. My hands are slippery. My hands are too slippery to turn it well. Just turn it like this, then there will be a red one here. A red square. Here, it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock, which means it's May. The function of this month, it needs to be adjusted manually. It's the same as the original one. Just turn it like this on both sides. It can rotate in both directions, both left and right. And how to adjust the dual time zone. Let me tell you. Pull the first gear and turn it downwards. It adjusts the hour hand. For this hour hand, you can adjust it to. You can use it as domestic time, or you can use it as the foreign time, the time. For the second time zone, you can refer to the middle disc, the 24-hour digital disc. It represents 24 hours. It will rotate when you turn it. Then, for the specific adjustment method of dual time zones, you can study it. You can also look for some guides online to see its operation method. It's a bit complicated to explain. Let's say it's 12 o'clock now. Let's set it to 12 o'clock. And then you need to set it to the domestic time zone. You need to turn it to the first gear. Then adjust the time again. No, we need to refer to it. What time is the corresponding line in the middle? Then we need to adjust the hour hand again. It will be a bit more complicated. For example, we set it to the early morning, 24 hours. And then you rotate it like this and rotate it to 24. That's right. That's right. It will be more complicated. If you don't understand, you can find some guides yourself and check it out. In the same way, pull the second gear and turn forward. Adjust the date. The specific function is operated in this way. For other details, it's about the workmanship. The workmanship is definitely okay, because it is made by a large factory. The buttons, the engraving here will also be a little thicker. So the engraving is still quite good, including the story of the logo. For the strap, the corners on both sides also have corners. The logo is not inferior to the one we used before. The AR bracelet, the AR steel strap is several years old and the industrial iteration progress, so it can be relatively good. The thickness of the entire case is about 13.9 millimeters. The diameter of the case is 42 millimeters. The regular wrist that an Asian can wear, this size. Let me show you. It looks good. The color is also relatively accurate because Zippo, they claim to have purchased the original version of the Sharp version, and then they make it. Everyone knows that it is all made from the original version. So relatively speaking, the color of the dial and details are well done, including the polishing of the pointer and the polishing of the central axis, in the year 2023, are all very good, so you don't need to upgrade it. Modification, the original configuration, is already very good. Yes. There are also 3 accessories, one black face and a blue one. The blue one is also good, but I didn't bring it. If you're worried about the color difference, you can choose the black one. Yes. It's A. There's nothing else to say about it. This point. If you are interested in this Skywalker, you like it, and like it, you can consider buying it. There's no problem and you won't be disappointed. As for the movement, it is a 2824 movement, domestic 2824 movement, and some functional modules have been added and then modified to make this multifunctional watch. So compared to the domestic 2824, it can also handle it. In terms of power, it claims to have 72 hours of power reserve, which needs to be verified. At least, it should be more than a power reserve of 50 or 60 hours. Okay, that's all for this video. I'm Xiaya. See you next time. Bye.